Hey Banda, if this is your first time seeing me, my name is Salima. Welcome back to our channel. We are a group of sisters who share our love for our faith. We do reviews, beauty, fashion, DIYs, and everything in between. So if there's content you would like to see, do not hesitate to hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so that every time we upload a video, you are first to be informed. For our returning subscribers, welcome back. Thank you so much for sticking with us. Thank you for coming back and for allowing us to be a part of your day. So today's video is a tad different for me. I know I've done reviews in the past, but I have not done a hair review. So I'm going to be doing a hair review for Nadula hair. And this is hair that I purchased off of Aliexpress. I purchased 2 wigs. I purchased a 14-inch and this 20-inch beauty ratchet. So I'm going to be giving you an honest review about the hair. Also, will include all the specs about the hair in the description box with links and all that jazz.
2, 3, 4.
So I know I look a tad scary. Please excuse my appearance. We're going to get right into the video. Just have some straight backs. This is my protective style. I already laid my edges. It came with 2 bands. And a wig cap. So it comes with a comb at the nape, and then it comes with a larger comb in the front and 2 on the side. And you could even wear it like this if you want. I don't particularly like it like this, but so I'm going to be trying the wig on with these bands that I got from Amazon. I'll also try on the ones that came with the wig. They just don't quite match what I'm wearing. So I will try it on with this and then I'll put the bangs on right after. And the goodness with these is you can adjust how big the band is, so you can kind of fold it. I'm just gonna use my water bottle. I put a tad bit of conditioner in here and my detangling comb. And for the mist and mousse, I'm going to be using these products by Priska Van Staes. She has a whole hair line, and she is a Zambian South African based here in Baltimore. So if you would like to try her product, I'm going to put the link down below where you can buy them, but these products are amazing. Just going to get this much. Just run it through the hair. And what I like about this mousse is, you know how some products can make your hair feel crunchy? I like that the hair kind of still feels soft. So these are the bangs. And it's got a Velcro strap, which I'm just going to attach right here. So I think for this part, I'm going to have to adjust the strap and make it just a tad tighter because it feels like it's really like way back there. So I need to make it a tad tighter right here. So I'll be very honest with you, this does not feel super secure just because I had to push it back a tad in comparison to the way I wore it without the bangs. I do not want to cut the bangs. For purpose of demonstration and for this video, I'm just going to push it back, but I probably will cut the bangs later on. Okay, so let's see how it looks with the headband. So this is how it looks with the headband. So my mirror is down here. Let me see how it looks on my phone. Okay. So I feel like with the bangs, the black band doesn't look terrible. The bangs would really bother me all throughout the day just because I don't like stuff on my forehead. Okay, so you could kind of get a peg, put the hair back, and kind of just wear the hair like that. Here's style number one. You could wear it with the headband. You could also wear it with the hair back and the headband. So this is not bad, like with the bangs, but I'll be honest with you, it's not my favorite. I definitely love this wig better without the bangs. I love the length, I love the curls, and this would be perfect for the summer. However, the bangs are a perfect protective style, especially if you don't have edges or have alopecia or something like that. The bangs would be perfect for you. I'm not super crazy about the bangs, but it's not terrible. Like, especially if I was going somewhere, it's not terrible. I'm gonna try on the bands that it came with. I think it looks a little better with the thicker band. Because this band is a lot thicker, you're able to kind of manipulate it and put it where it needs to go, as opposed to this type that's it's thick but it's not very thick, and this is like a lot thicker. And the good thing about the bangs too is you could kind of manipulate them. They do cover the band, especially on the sides here, so you could kind of manipulate them to that extent. And with the diffuser, you could make these curl a tad more, which makes them tighter and they would be out of your face a little more. So yeah, this is wig number one. So this one feels a tad bigger than the other one. So this is the curl pattern right out of the pack, and I love the curl pattern. I also love that it's not too thick. I feel like I won't have to do much with these curls. right off the bat, this is a tad bit of shedding. And I didn't brush this one like I did the other one. So I just want to make this a tad big. So this is how it's looking. Ooh, shoddy a little baddie. Let me tell you, I'm loving this hair. This is just with the band, and I can so see myself just, you know, putting this on, running out, going to the store or something, or even to work. So do let us know which wig was your favorite. I would definitely say this was winner chicken dinner right here, sis, because talk about body, talk about, I just love this hair. I'm going to be abusing this hair, especially over the summer. So if you see me wearing her, just say hi to her and me. Let me know which wig was your favorite. Did you like this one, or you like the other one with the bangs? With the bang! I was not crazy about the fact that it shed so much. I'll continue to monitor the situation and see if the shedding does reduce, but I mean, it's nothing crazy, nothing that I can't handle. I wear a lot of curly hair, so I do know how to maintain it. Do check out the rest of our videos. Hit this video right here to check out our other reviews, and hit this video right here to catch up with what's going on our channel. Thank you so much for watching. You guys are amazing. Until next time, it is bye for now. Bye, Banda.